Install automobile key clamp on SEC9. Insert 2 decoders into the machine. Press Setup and first Next button to enter the clamp calibration interface. It is a very important step, please don't miss it. Press Start button to calibrate the distance between decoder and cutter. Fix calibration block on the top level of clamp and pay attention to the position. Click the picture to continue. Take out automobile key clamp. Install single-sided standard key clamp. Press single-sided standard key clamp and make sure 3.5 mm side faces inside. Click the picture to continue. Press decoder button and choose single-sided key clamp to calibrate the decoder length. Remove the right decoder and insert a cutter. Press cutter button and choose single-sided key clamp to calibrate the cutter length.